FAG supplies alignment tools that can be used to ensure belt systems and couplings achieve their optimum service life, consume significantly lower amounts of energy, give longer machine running times, and incur lower maintenance costs. FAG alignment products are easy to use and allow faster, more precise operation than conventional methods. Our experts recommend the FAG belt pulley alignment device for alignment of belt pulleys, and the FAG belt tension measuring device for checking of belt tension. The belt pulley alignment device is a line laser that is magnetically attached to the pulleys. It rapidly and precisely indicates the parallel offset and misalignment of the pulleys in relation to each other. The belt tension measuring device measures the natural frequencies of the belt by means of clock pulse light and uses this to precisely determine the current belt tension. Correct alignment and setting of the appropriate belt tension are essential prerequisites for achieving the maximum service life of drive components.